Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can hide Instagram follower and following list on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Instagram application, and here you see my account is already logged in. If in your case it is not logged in yet, you have to first of all provide the your email and password and log into your account. And after that, you will see the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Just click on it, and after that click on the setting button, and here you have to click on privacy, and now you have to enable this private account feature on Instagram. And after that click on switch to private, and here your account is now successfully a private account. Now nobody will be able to see the Instagram follower and following list except those who are following you. So here you will see when you click on followers, so these are the list. So if anyone you want to remove your follower that you don't want to show your follower or following list, so whenever you click on the remove button, that person will be removed from your follower list and he's no longer will be able to see your follower and following list. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.